stop using your mobile like in the olden days. Now without touching your mobile, you can use Google Gemini AI for various uses on your mobile. Right now I'll give a voice command like, hey Google, can you tell me how can I invest in stock market? See, I didn't even touch my phone.
Investing in the stock market.
Sorry. Yeah, I can use this Google Gemini for a lot of useful scenarios in the real time. By the end of the video, I'll let you know how you can use Google Gemini AI effectively on your Android mobile. So I'm assuming first of all you have the Gemini app installed on your mobile. See here, the Gemini app is installed on my mobile. If not, you can go to the Play Store and download and install this. Once you open this, tap on this profile picture at the top right and then reach to the settings here. Then click on talk to Gemini hands-free. If it is disabled, just enable this. That's it. Now when you say hey Google, your Google Gemini app will open. So here is the most interesting thing.
I'm already here and ready to help.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Yeah, click on this live actions here. Sorry, I'll be deleting this. And click on this live. This is the Google Gemini app with the live action. See, I can open the camera. Now I can talk in the real time. Google, can you tell me about this product?
I see you're holding a jar of the Man Company Daily Morning Cream. What would you like to know about it?
Can you tell me about this? This product.
Okay, now I see an Orient electric remote. It looks like it's for a fan. Are you trying to figure out how it works, or were you wanting to ask about something else?
Yes. Is this laptop good enough for my daily video editing?
That's a Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1, and depending on the specific model, it might be okay.
Yeah. Just for a moment, I'm just closing this. See here, you can use the Google Gemini live option to take a lot of information just by focusing your camera on the products, or even you can show up the plans to recognize the plans, to show up the products, and lot more. And not only this, say for example, if you're watching a YouTube video, maybe this one, right? And here, hey Google, and click on this live option. Hey Google. Hey Google. Right. Here what I'll do is I'll share the screen here with this option. I'll share the screen. I'll play the video.
You want specific.
See here, the Google Gemini is running in the background. Can you analyze this video for me? Can you analyze this video for me and let me know?
Video goes over the initial setup and first impressions of this Oneida 1.5 ton AC. It covers things like the unboxing, key features like 5-in-1 convertible modes and heavy-duty cooling, and how the remote works. They also discuss aspects like the noise level, warranty, and power consumption.
Yes, see here.
Is there something specific
Sorry,
you'd really like to?
Yeah, I'll be cancelling this.
No problem at all.
Yeah, I cancelled this. See here, while using the Google Gemini, I even share my screen. Say for example, in this example, I want to analyze the video. It analyzed and showed me. If there is a PDF document, still you can ask Google Gemini to analyze that. And few more things, you can use the Google Gemini on your Android phone. Open the Google Gemini app and click on these three bars. Sorry, click on these three bars. Not this one. Right on the home page, click on create music, and I'll give a prompt here. Okay, I'll be using this voice search. Create a soothing and melody music with some soft lyrics in Hindi language, where one person is missing the other person in a melody way. Can you create a song for me? See, just I asked with a prompt, not a proper prompt, but just for the testing purpose, I gave a prompt. Let us see how the Google Gemini AI on your Android mobile will try to create an audio file. You can download that also. You can use this Google Gemini AI even for the image generation also.
googleusercontent.com का link.
Yeah, see here, it has created a music file. So I'll be playing this now. शाम की ये रोशनी धीरे से पिघली और तेरी यादें होठों पे ठहरी ये सफर है नया. See, just with this prompt I have given the Google Gemini, so it has created a beautiful melody song. Don't you feel this is wonder? If you feel this is wonder, immediately please do hit a like this for this video and share it to your friends and family. And one more thing I'll tell you, in the home page itself, I'll be pressing back here, and you can use it for create image. Just give the prompt and you can edit your images. If you want how to edit the images, I already did a video, just follow that. And one more thing you can use is, you can click on this plus symbol and you can click on these files and you can upload PDFs. Say for example, I'll be changing to documents. There are no documents actually. So if there are PDF files, something like that, you can upload that PDF file and then ask the Google Gemini to analyze this. In this way, in lot more ways you can use it, not only just for the information by asking anything here, or with the voice search like hey Google, you can create music, you can create music, you can ask to summarize the email. Maybe you can open the email and then ask the Google Gemini to analyze this. In this way, in multiple ways you can use Google Gemini AI on your mobile, Android mobile. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. This would really help me. And if you do have any other questions related to Google Gemini AI, how you can use it on your Android mobile, please do ask it in the comments so that I'll be happy to reply you. And please do post your opinions just below here in the comments so that I'll improve myself. That would be a great helpful for me if you really give your feedback. I'm again asking, please provide your feedback. That would be a great help for me. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, see you in the next video.